My name is Jim Lintott, and sales and service, if you want to call it that. I primarily do personal lines. That's the home and the auto and the toys and some small commercial. I've been in the insurance industry since 1984, and I've been in partnership before G2 started with one of the G's, Tom's dad, since 1989. So we go back quite a ways. So I've been here since the beginning. Oh, what I love most about working at G2? What's not to love? We've got a great stable of companies, and we got a great support staff, and we all pretty much get along together. We have our moments like any family, but it's great. It's a great atmosphere. Independent agency or agent to me means you're not locked in to one thing. You're not like a direct writer where you have one company, you have one product, and that's it. We have multiple companies that we can use that all do something a little bit different in order to help meet the client's needs. The most confusing thing to people about insurance is they think it's all the same. It's not. Insurance is not all the same. Some companies have different policy language that changes the entire meaning of what you thought it might have been. And you can restrict coverage or expand coverage based on one word in a sentence. And a lot of people don't see that. They think insurance is all the same, so it's all about the price. No. When the companies are giving you more coverage, then it does cost a little more. But then you're also protected when you need it. G2 differentiates themselves, I think, pretty much because we ask the questions. Sometimes they're not easy questions, but we ask questions. We want to find out what people have so we can properly protect them and cover them. At least that's how I work. I don't like the fact that you just throw something up against the wall and see if it sticks. I want to know what people have. I want to protect them. Now, if they elect not to protect themselves, I can't help that. The one thing I think people really need to know about insurance, and it goes back to my answer on one of the other questions, was they're not all created equal. Policies are different. The other thing that I really think is important is insurance companies really are not out to screw you. But they do want justification for if you've had a loss, what did you lose? They just want you to say, here's what I had. They want you to basically prove it, but they're not out to screw you and say, oh, no. So those are a couple biggies right there. They're not out to screw you, and they're not all created equal. I like watching sports. I like the Packers, the Badgers, the Bucks. I'm a big soccer fan, so on Saturday mornings I'm watching the EPL out of England. That's my favorite.